Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract rare Unzip archives on ALCATEL T110 Smart. And to do this, we'll need to open a rare app I shown you previously on how to download. Now locate the files that you want to unpack and click on them. Here you can select each of the file or press on this arrow pointing up button to enter extraction options and unpack entire archive. Now we can change those options, but it's not necessary. Click on browse to pick different designation where the files should go. And then when everything is set, click on OK and your files will be extracted. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.